In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TradersWay to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here from your dashboard, of course, you want to create an account, which is a MT5 account. So for me over here, I created one which is a demo account, and in case you have multiple, you can just click on View All, and then of course you want to switch over to MT5 like this. So click on it like that, and there we go, you're good to go. Now from here, of course, you could also make live accounts, so whatever account you have with MT5, it's going to work the way I'm going to show you right now. Now you'll need the account number, which is this number over here, as well as your password. If you don't know the password, if you forgot it, you can just go and click on here and then change it to something you'll basically remember and you'll be able to sign in with. But of course, if you just created your account, you'll be able to basically see your login password directly on a page which opens up when you create your account for the first time. Then whenever you've done that, you can go to either menu over here and click on Other, and you want to go over here on the left and you want to click on MetaTrader 5 and download it from here. Now once you download it, you want to go to the installer, which is super simple, and then of course you'll be able to use your MT4 on your computer. If you don't want to do that, you can just go to MetaTrader 5's official website and you want to download this installer over here, which of course is going to be allowing you to install MT5 on your computer. So whenever you do this, you want to go and open up MT5 like this. Then you want to go to the top left and click on File and then click on Open an Account. In here, you want to look for TradersWay, okay? So just type in TradersWay like this, press Find Your Company, and it's going to find this one over here, which is TW Corp LLC, okay? And here it says TradersWay. Click on it and click on Next. Here, click on Connect with an existing trade account, and of course you want to type in your login, which is going to be your account number I showed you earlier, as well as your password, which of course is the one you get or change if you forgot it. Then down here, select if it's a live account or a demo account. For me, it's a demo, but it's going to work for live as well, and click on Finish. There we go. As you can see, for me it worked, and now I'm successfully connected to TradersWay demo account, and yeah, that's how I can now use it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.